This is the rolling inverted GT. It looks like this. Start by throwing a trapeze. Using your throw hand, you're going to reach over and grab the string that's on the outside of the yo-yo, not the string that's connected to the yo-yo. I'm going to pull it over with my throw hand, and as you'll see, both of my index fingers on my throw hand and non-throw hand are pointed towards me right now. For this next step, you're going to flip them over and point them away from you. You're going to pull your hands apart, motioning the yo-yo up towards this top string, but what you're going to do is flip the yo-yo over top of your throw hand, just like that. And what that does is it creates this twist down by the yo-yo, which allows your yo-yo to create that upside down green triangle or inverted green triangle. So once you have this string pinched this way, and like I said, you're pulling your hands apart, rolling it over your finger, in order to get the yo-yo to bounce against the top string and create that triangle, what you're going to do is your yo-yo will be hooked, your string will be hooked around your index finger like this on your throw hand, and what you're going to do again is pull them apart. Your yo-yo is going to bounce up into this string, but you're going to let go of the string off of your index finger on your throw hand, and your yo-yo is going to exit out the back of the mount. Once you combine all of these elements together smoothly, this trick looks great as a repeater. And that is the rolling inverted GT.